You just spent a premium price on the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, so the last thing you want is a case that doesn't actually protect it. Some focus on style, others on rugged durability, but only a few truly deliver the right balance. Today we're counting down the best Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra cases, and a few of these might surprise you. A foldable phone is a major investment, and repairs aren't cheap. The right case should do more than prevent scratches. It should match your lifestyle, protect the hinge, and add useful features without ruining the Fold's premium experience. At number 11, Ringke Fusion Clear. If you bought the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra because you love its premium design, the Ringke Fusion Clear is an easy choice. Instead of hiding your phone behind thick plastic, this case lets Samsung's original finish shine, while still providing reliable everyday protection. Its hybrid construction combines a rigid polycarbonate back with a flexible TPU bumper to absorb everyday bumps and minor drops. The open hinge design keeps the Fold slim and comfortable to use, while the connected two-piece construction fits securely without adding unnecessary bulk. Wireless charging works perfectly, making it ideal for daily use. Sounds great, but here's the catch. The hinge is completely exposed. If you work outdoors, travel frequently, or tend to drop your phone, you may want a case with full hinge protection instead. For office workers, commuters, students, or anyone who simply wants light everyday protection, the Ringke Fusion Clear is one of the best values available. Compared to premium clear cases from Spigen, it delivers similar everyday performance at a much lower price. At around $19, it's a fantastic budget-friendly option for showing off your Fold instead of covering it up. Here's a common mistake many buyers make. They assume every rugged-looking case offers the same protection. That's definitely not true, and our next pick proves why. At number 10, TONGATE Case. The TONGATE Case is designed for people who want more than just protection. Instead of buying multiple accessories separately, this case combines them into one rugged package built for work, travel, and demanding everyday use. It includes full hinge protection, a stylus holder, a privacy-tempered glass screen protector, a sliding camera cover, a hidden kickstand, and even a removable rotating belt clip. The kickstand makes streaming, video calls, and multitasking much easier, while the camera cover protects your lenses and adds extra privacy. But here's the trade-off. All those extra features make the case noticeably bulkier than slim options like Ringke or BENKS. If you love keeping your Fold as thin as possible, this probably isn't the right choice. However, if protection and convenience matter more than pocketability, the TONGATE Case is hard to beat. The reinforced TPU frame and rugged shell provide excellent impact resistance, making it perfect for contractors, travelers, or anyone working in demanding environments. At around $99, it's expensive, but replacing several accessories with one purchase helps justify the price. Premium pricing doesn't always mean premium quality, but sometimes it does. Our next pick is proof. At number 9, Spigen Slim Armor Pro S MagFit. If hinge protection is your biggest priority, the Spigen Slim Armor Pro S MagFit is one of the strongest premium options available. Its biggest feature is the spring-loaded hinge protector that automatically covers the hinge whenever the phone is closed. Combined with Spigen's SecuLink design, air cushion corner protection, and premium TPU and polycarbonate construction, it delivers confidence every time you use your Fold. You also get a rotating aluminum kickstand that doubles as a finger grip, plus MagFit magnets for wireless chargers, magnetic wallets, and car mounts. It offers premium functionality without sacrificing everyday convenience. Sounds nearly perfect, but here's the catch. The added hinge protection and kickstand naturally make the phone thicker than minimalist cases. If keeping your Fold as slim as possible is your priority, you'll notice the extra bulk. Still, for buyers who value long-term durability over thinness, it's an easy recommendation. At around $99, it's expensive, but the protection, build quality, and extra features help justify the investment. Now let's move to a case that feels every bit as premium as the phone it's protecting. At number 8, BENKS Armor Grid Air Grand Combo. If you want premium materials without turning your Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra into a brick, the BENKS Armor Grid Air Grand Combo deserves a close look. Instead of ordinary plastic, it uses genuine DuPont Kevlar fiber, giving the case a lightweight yet durable design with a premium feel. BENKS also includes a matching front frame, tempered glass screen protector, full hinge protection, and an aluminum camera frame, creating a complete protection package right out of the box. Built-in MagSafe compatible magnets let you use magnetic chargers, wallets, and car mounts without removing the case, making everyday use even more convenient. But here's the catch. Quality comes at a price. At roughly $119, it's one of the most expensive cases on this list. If you only need basic protection, there are far cheaper alternatives. However, if you appreciate premium materials, lightweight construction, and excellent craftsmanship, the BENKS delivers an experience that's hard to match. It feels slimmer than most rugged cases while still offering dependable hinge protection and magnetic compatibility, making it one of the best premium cases available for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. At number 7, FNTCASE Magnetic Case. Not every great case has to cost a fortune, and the FNTCASE Magnetic Case proves exactly that. If you want dependable protection, strong magnetic performance, and excellent value, this is one of the smartest budget-friendly options for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. It features 38 built-in N52 magnets that provide a secure connection with MagSafe-compatible chargers, wallets, car mounts, and power banks. The rigid polycarbonate back, flexible TPU frame, and reinforced corners offer solid everyday drop protection, while the included tempered glass screen protector adds even more value. A translucent matte finish also helps resist fingerprints and provides a comfortable grip. Sounds like an incredible bargain. But here's the catch. The materials don't feel as premium as higher-end cases from Spigen or BENKS, and there's no dedicated hinge protection. If protecting the hinge is your top priority, you'll want to consider a more rugged option. Still, for students, casual users, or anyone shopping on a budget, it's hard to beat. At around $16, the FNTCASE Magnetic Case delivers features normally found on much more expensive products, making it one of the best value picks on this list. Before we move on, here's another mistake buyers often make. They focus only on price instead of thinking about how they actually use their phone. If you're tough on your devices, the next case could save you an expensive repair. At number 6, Supcase UpGrip. If maximum protection is your priority, the Supcase UpGrip is built for exactly that. Whether you work outdoors, travel often, or simply drop your phone more than you'd like to admit, this rugged case is designed to handle it. It includes full hinge protection, reinforced corners, and a built-in tempered glass screen protector to keep the cover display safe without affecting touch sensitivity. Military-grade drop protection provides extra confidence, while the built-in magnetic ring supports MagSafe-compatible chargers and accessories. Another useful feature is the 2-in-1 metal ring stand. It works as both a secure finger grip and a sturdy kickstand, making it great for watching videos, video calls, or working hands-free. But here's the downside. All that protection adds noticeable bulk. Compared to slimmer cases like the Ringke Fusion Clear or BENKS Armor Grid, the UB grip feels much thicker in your pocket. Even so, many fold owners would gladly accept a little extra size if it means avoiding a costly repair. At around $69, the Supcase UpGrip offers excellent protection, useful features, and strong value for anyone who needs a truly rugged case. Now let's look at a case that's designed to do more than just protect your phone. It also makes your fold much more useful every day. At number 5, TORRAS Q3 Spin. The TORRAS Q3 Spin is perfect for users who rely on their Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra for work, entertainment, or multitasking. It combines premium protection with one of the best kickstands available on any fold case. The highlight is its precision aluminum ring that rotates a full 360 degrees, allowing comfortable viewing from almost any angle. Whether you're watching videos, taking video calls, reading, or using split-screen apps, the stand adapts easily. Strong MagSafe compatibility also makes charging and using magnetic accessories simple and reliable. Protection is equally impressive. The X-Shock cushioning, reinforced bumpers, and full hinge protection help guard against everyday drops while maintaining a relatively slim profile. Sounds like the complete package, but here's the trade-off. The rotating stand and hinge protection still add some thickness, and the premium design comes with a price of around $85. However, if you use your Fold as a productivity device every day, the convenience easily outweighs the extra cost. It's one of the most versatile premium cases currently available. If rugged protection isn't your priority, and you'd rather keep your Fold looking sleek, our next pick is worth a close look. At number 4, UAG Plyo Pro. The UAG Plyo Pro strikes an excellent balance between protection and portability. Instead of making your Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra bulky, it delivers reliable everyday protection while preserving the phone's premium look. Its lightweight hybrid construction combines a translucent polycarbonate back with a flexible TPU frame for dependable impact resistance. Textured sides improve grip, while raised bezels and airsoft corners help protect both the display and cameras. Built-in MagSafe compatibility also lets you use wireless chargers, wallets, and magnetic car mounts without removing the case. Here's where opinions are divided. The open hinge design keeps the case slim and comfortable, but it also leaves the hinge exposed. Careful users may not mind, but anyone working in tougher environments may prefer a case with full hinge protection. If your goal is a lightweight, stylish case with solid everyday durability and excellent magnetic compatibility, the UAG Plyo Pro is one of the best options in its category and a great choice for daily use. At number 3, Spigen Slim Armor Pro MagFit. If you're looking for the best balance of price, protection, and everyday usability, the Spigen Slim Armor Pro MagFit is an excellent choice. It brings many of Spigen's premium features into a much more affordable package. Its biggest highlight is the spring-loaded hinge protector that automatically covers the hinge whenever you close the phone. Combined with air cushion technology, reinforced TPU, and polycarbonate construction, and raised edges around the display and cameras, it provides dependable protection without feeling overly bulky. The built-in MagFit magnetic system also works flawlessly with wireless chargers, magnetic wallets, car mounts, and other MagSafe accessories, while the textured finish improves grip during daily use. Sounds like the perfect all-rounder. The hinge protector still adds a little extra thickness compared to ultra-thin or clear cases. It's not bulky, but if your only goal is keeping the Fold as slim as possible, you'll notice the difference. Even so, at around $34, it's one of the best values on the market. For most Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra owners, this is an easy recommendation that balances protection, convenience, and price extremely well. Here's something worth thinking about. What if you want to protect your Fold without hiding its premium design? That's exactly where our runner-up shines. At number 2, Spigen Ultra Hybrid Pro MagFit. The Spigen Ultra Hybrid Pro MagFit is one of the best clear cases you can buy for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. It lets you enjoy Samsung's original design while adding reliable protection and full hinge coverage. Its transparent back uses DuraClear anti-yellowing technology to stay clearer longer than typical clear cases. Unlike most transparent options, it also includes full hinge protection, giving you extra peace of mind without sacrificing the phone's premium appearance. The upgraded MagFit magnets provide a strong connection to wireless chargers, magnetic wallets, power banks, and car mounts, while air cushion technology helps absorb everyday drops. But here's the trade-off. Even with anti-yellowing treatment, no clear case stays perfect forever. It's also designed for everyday protection rather than extreme outdoor use. Still, if you want a case that protects your Fold while letting its design remain visible, the Ultra Hybrid Pro MagFit is one of the strongest choices available, and at around $34, it offers outstanding value. And now it's time for our number 1 pick. At number 1, Spigen Tough Armor Pro MagFit. If you're searching for the best overall Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra case, the Spigen Tough Armor Pro MagFit earns the top spot. It combines dependable hinge protection, premium build quality, strong MagSafe compatibility, and everyday comfort into one well-balanced package. The integrated hinge guard keeps the case securely connected, while air cushion technology and reinforced materials help protect against accidental drops. Despite offering full hinge protection, it remains slimmer than many heavy-duty alternatives, making it comfortable enough for everyday carry. The built-in MagFit magnets also provide a reliable connection for wireless chargers, magnetic wallets, and car mounts. Of course, there's one small compromise. The hinge guard adds a little extra thickness, and a few oversized magnetic accessories may not fit perfectly. However, standard MagSafe accessories work exactly as intended. At around $34, it's hard to beat. It delivers premium protection, dependable magnetic performance, and excellent overall value, making it my top recommendation for most Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra owners. Before you make your final decision, remember this: the most expensive case isn't always the best, and the cheapest option can cost you much more if it fails when you need it most. The key is choosing a case that matches how you actually use your Fold. If you mostly work indoors, a slim case may be enough. But if you're constantly traveling, working outdoors, or tend to drop your phone, investing in better hinge protection could save you hundreds of dollars in repair costs. That's why only a few cases truly deserve a spot on this list. For the best overall, I recommend the Spigen Tough Armor Pro MagFit. It offers the best mix of protection, MagSafe compatibility, comfort, and value for most users. If you're looking for the best budget option, go with the FNTCASE magnetic case. It delivers impressive magnetic performance and everyday protection at an unbeatable price. If you prefer premium materials and a luxury feel, the BENKS Armor Grid Air Grand Combo is the clear winner with its Kevlar construction and premium craftsmanship. And if maximum rugged protection is your priority, the Supcase UAG grip remains one of the toughest cases available for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. If you'd like to check the latest prices, available colors, or current discounts, you'll find links to every case in the description below. Prices can change frequently, so it's always worth checking before you buy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more buying guides and accessory reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.